Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Tuesday, April 27th, 2010. This morning we're going to look at moving large objects in and out of an Oracle database using the large object support. So again, we're going to take our Oracle database connection and connect and get a session. Again, this is dummy connection information. I've got the real information stored in a private workspace. We're going to connect, and then I'm going to create the table from scratch so that I don't have anything lingering in it. Now once I've created my large object table, I'm going to go ahead and insert stuff into it. So I'm going to create my insertion statement here, create this length is 2 meg, another length is 2 meg, one for the C lob and one for the B lob, and then I'm going to push these in with either characters or numbers in them, and I'll just go ahead and execute that and see how long it takes. And we'll print to the transcript how long that takes with the default buffer size, since we're not specifying it, of 32K. If we didn't specify it, it would be 32K. We specified it, but it's still going to be 32K. And it took this amount of time, 5.6 seconds. Let's go ahead and set the buffer up to a megabyte. Now the thing is, you won't see the same kind of improvement that we did yesterday with things like block factor, and in some cases you won't see an improvement at all. It's going to depend heavily on whether or not there's a network involved. Here it's all on one machine. So I'm going to try this, set the buffer up to a megabyte, and I'm going to print this out and see how that works. So we see the execution cursor there going. And let's go ahead and look. And sure enough, it's not really any faster. As a matter of fact, it's a little slower. Again, this depends heavily on what's going on your machine and network traffic and all those kinds of things. The important thing to keep in mind is this is a capability. You can specify these buffer sizes. Finally, let's go ahead and try getting it from the database using the default buffer size. So we'll set up a connection and get the default buffer size of 32K and read those objects from the database. And we'll look at the transcript, and that took 4.2 seconds. And again, it may or may not be faster setting this up to 1 megabyte. It depends again on things like network traffic and whether it's a local machine and what that local machine is doing. In my case, I think Time Machine is running a backup right now and I'm running parallels. But in any case, let's try that. And we'll take a look. And this time it was a little faster. Again, it will not improve the same way setting something simple like block factor will, but you could see improvements, and in general you'll be optimizing the connection between you and Oracle. So that's pretty much it for today. I wanted to demonstrate how you can use large object support and how you can configure large object support. So, until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.